Hello traders and welcome to the Technical Trader. I'm looking to trade 4 stocks this week: HROW Health, TGNA, MGTX, and AVYA Holdings. This video is for educational purposes only, but before we begin, let's see how we did so far. So we have traded 11 stocks in October and 2 in November. 2 stocks didn't execute the order. Those were Seagate and Hyzon Motors. Pity because Seagate is now at over $100. I was a bit stingy. I wanted to enter $2 cheaper than the market price, and so I missed this one. Doesn't matter. We have 3 positions that are open. Those are Range Resources, Intel, and Teladoc Health. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4 positions that have reached take profit 1. We have 2 trades, Max Silver Corp and Skyrock Solutions, that have reached the second take profit position, and only 2 stocks have been stopped out. So far we've had 35% gain in October from our closed positions, but some of these positions are still open, so things will likely change. So we have 4 stocks to take a look at today, so let's jump right into it. So first is HROW Health. This is a healthcare company focused on ophthalmic pharmaceuticals. The company owns and operates Imprims RX, I don't know if I pronounced correctly, which is a direct-to-consumer company that focuses on chronic eye disease. For the first 6 months of 2021, the company increased its revenues by 69% and decreased its net loss by 79%. But we're interested in the technical analysis side of things, so let's see how the stock did. So on the daily chart, we see that the stock has been locked in this ascending channel ever since 2021. This is a bullish pattern, meaning the price should bounce. It has actually bounced a lot more than it should have, but the good news is that we've already seen the breakout at the top, which happened in early November, and the price pulled back, which is normal after that, because the price has made a really strong jump. So this pullback is normal, which has also made a descending channel, or you can look at this as a bullish flag pattern. So anyway, we're seeing that the MACD is about to cross, which is a bearish signal, means the price could go lower. However, usually the price has to make at least one more peak. I'll show you how that looks. So for example, let's see where the price did go higher. Yeah, so in this zone in August, we see that the price already broke lower and it did pull back, but it made higher highs. So that's what I'm expecting here on the daily chart as well. And I would trade this position in the following way. My entry order will be 11. I would probably do this as a market order. That's one way of playing it. The second is of playing it as a buy stop limit at 11.41. So basically you're protecting yourself if the price does pull back and fails to move higher. Your order won't be executed. So this is the conservative way, putting it at 11.43, 11.45, this zone. The more aggressive direct approach is just to buy it at market order. My stop loss would be, okay, let's just leave this one here. My stop loss would be at 978. That's below the 50 simple moving average. 978, something like this. I cannot move this exactly because stock charts makes things complicated. This is the more conservative stop loss. Basically, if the price returns inside, you're likely to get stopped. But for those who want to give a little breathing room, the stop loss could be 871 under this low, which even if the price retreats, it could possibly be stuck in this channel, and hopefully it can break higher to limit your losses. My take profit would be, first target is $12, basically this one here, a round number. Second target is 13, trying to break over this to reach this peak. And third target is 16. Third target is 16, which okay, we won't see it anyway. So 16 is the price that some analysts have set for this stock for the coming months. So that's what we could possibly see. Next stock I'm planning to trade this week is TGNA. Okay, let's just open it on the daily chart. So TGNA is a media company that provides investigation, stories, and marketing services. It operates 64 TV stations across the US and reaches around 39% of TV households nationwide. In the previous 39 weeks ending 30th September 2021, the company increased its revenues by 11% and its net income by 46%, but which means the company is a solid one. But on the technical side, we can see that the daily chart has formed a cup and handle pattern, which is a bullish pattern, but we haven't seen the breakout yet. So the breakout could happen somewhere around 2160, and if the price does break out, it can easily move to 26 eventually. On the weekly chart, we're still seeing a bullish flag pattern, and in the weekly chart the price has broken out of the channel, so maybe this shows what the future holds, because weekly chart is of course a long term. Daily chart could mean in the few, let's say next 2-3 days, maybe the price could pull back, but it's strong bullish signal on the weekly pattern. And we're also having this bullish continuation pattern known as rising three methods, and basically this blue line over here is what shows this pattern. This is the white bullish candle, and this white bullish candle over here, and all these small candles trapped inside this price candle. So how would I trade this stock? So first, okay, let's just move to the daily chart, easier to see. My entry position would be 2160. So basically over here, this is a buy stop limit, meaning I won't enter unless the price reaches this price. And my stop loss would be 1920. Just use different color for this one. Would be 1920. This is my stop loss. My first take profit is 2250. That's basically over here. 2250. Second target is 24. And third target is 26. Let's see the monthly chart, just to show you where this zone lies. So basically we're trying to cover this price that already happened in early 2000. And next is MGTX. Give me a moment to find it. The ticker symbol is MGTX. This is a clinical stage gene therapy company. It develops treatments for a range of disorders, including rare inherited blindness. In the first 6 months of 2021, the company increased revenue by 45%, but it also increased net loss by 6%. But this net loss is due to research and development expenses and stock-based compensation. So on the technical side, the daily chart shows a bullish flag pattern. And the price is holding at support, basically between these two moving averages. Now the MACD has opened here to the lower side, meaning we could see a move lower, as well as the weekly price chart is showing that the next moving average and next resistance support is at 1750. So basically it's almost $2 from the current price. But this is how I'm going to play it. Also, we see here a bullish engulfing pattern, which is another bullish signal that the price is likely to reverse. It has bounced over support. So I would play this with a stop limit order at 20.55. Basically, I'm waiting if the price pulls back and tries to fill this gap, which also a gap like this is a bullish signal, especially if the price fails to return to the lower price. So basically, this is a continuation, bullish continuation pattern. And I'm not going to enter unless the price keeps going higher. My stop loss in this case would be 18.20. That's basically below this lower price point. My first take profit target is 22.50. Second target is 24.50. And third price target is 29, which basically coincides with this mid to late 2019 peak. So this is how to play MGTX. Next stock is AVYA Holdings Corporation. AVYA Holdings provides a digital communication products, solutions, and services for businesses. It includes voice, email, chat, social media, video, and similar solutions. In the 9 months ended 30 June 2021, the company increased revenue by 4%, and net loss decreased by 97%. On the technical side, we see that the daily chart shows a clear downtrend, which has been going on for almost entire 2021, not counting this incredible jump from January 2021. But in February, we've seen that the price has reached its peak and continuously dropped until now. We see in this case, what's good for us, we see diverging MACD here. The price makes lower lows, MACD makes higher highs. 2 divergences typically are a good sign, 3 even better. We have 3 if we count this one over here. This is a good signal. We also have a broadening descending formation pattern, which is this one over here. Basically, where the price tries to make lower lows but fails to break this price, which stands at 21, basically 21.12. And we're seeing the price the price actually not almost, but it actually broke a lot of moving averages here, including the exponential moving averages 11 and 22 and the simple moving average 50. It almost stopped at the moving average 100, but we don't worry about it at this point. So how would I trade this stock? Well, first I will have a stop buy limit order at 21.50. So basically, I'm waiting the price to make new highs. When the price makes new highs, I'm putting my stop loss at 18.16, which is basically over here. I can't make it exactly. Okay, 18.50. That's the closest I can make it this chart. My take profit target is First take profit target is 23.20, which should coincide by touching this upper trend line. And if this happens, we would likely see the price touch the trend line and pull back maybe to our entry point, because this is a strong resistance trend line, because see how many times it has failed to break through. So we'll likely touch it and pull back. If we see a break, that would be phenomenal. Because of that, my second target is 24.80, almost at 25. This is the difference between the broadening descending formation pattern, and we're trying to fill that gap. And my third target is 27.50. Basically, this is the price zone where we see a lot of price congestions during the first half of 2021. Also, a few days ago, Goldman Sachs rated this stock a buy with the 27 price target. So basically, that's 27 over here. I have 27.50. Basically, our third target meets what Goldman Sachs has said. Of course, if the price reaches this point, you can move your stop loss higher to break even to first price zone, and basically we'll see how it goes in the coming weeks. I can potentially leave this open and just close it at 32 if the price shows a momentum or strong move upward. So basically we're trying to take out this peak over here. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. This month I'll be also sharing changes to my positions, like updated stop loss or entry positions, maybe new stocks. I'll maybe add a new video throughout the week. Usually I'm making these videos on Sunday, but maybe I will make some videos during the week, or I will leave community posts. So make sure to subscribe and to get this notification. If not, just wait for your next video on Sunday. If not, doesn't matter. Good luck, traders. See you in the next video.